So today Ahaana is going to tell us about 5 senses, Ahaana, right?
Yeah.
So we are doing a little experiment to just to get a better understanding of 5 senses. So what are the 5 senses, Ahaana?
See my eyes and touch and smell.
See, touch, smell, hearing and
Hearing and
taste. Yeah, lovely.
This is taste. This is taste.
Okay, so for the taste, we taste through which organ? Show me. So this is kind of something I got from Flimto class.
Okay, first
So this is I see with my
eyes.
eyes. Oh, see, you can see through eyes. Show me how to do that.
Oh, and on spin also.
Oh my
I
God.
put it on my test so I have Papa Tools on it.
Oh.
See it.
Oh, you're going to see it.
I can see you.
Oh, you can see me.
Yeah.
I'm showing as a big mama,
Yeah, I know you're a small mama.
a small mama.
Yeah.
And try this side. Try this side. Small mama. Mama is far. So the sense of seeing comes through eyes. So I see with my
eyes.
eyes. Very nice. Okay.
Now smell and touch.
Oh, first we will do a smell. Okay. So what we smell through, Ahaana?
Let me smell this one.
We smell through nose. So we can put it nose. I smell with my
No.
nose. So Ahaana is using a deodorant, guys. You're going to teach us about the smell?
Yep.
So Ahaana is going to put a deodorant. Ahaana. Wow, such a lovely smell, Ahaana. We smell through which you're smelling. Show everyone. Oh, nose.
Yeah.
We smell through nose.
Yeah.
Oh wow, the next.
Let me smell you.
You're smelling. Oh, the mama is not smelling good. The kitchen smell is coming, right, from mama?
Yeah, and this is so nice, and they use a bat.
Oh, mama is smelling bad. Okay, fine. I got it. I'll put this and sleep aside you. Okay. Okay. Come on. Let's tell about the taste, Ahaana. Through which we taste. Which is the through which sense organ we taste?
Just one.
No. Through which we taste.
Just one.
Through which we taste. Which organ we taste?
Tongue.
Show me your tongue. Through. So now Ahaana is going to taste.
The women.
We differentiate. We taste different things to
Mommy.
tongue. Taste it. Oh my God! It's too sour, Ahaana.
Yeah, the one is too sour. You can eat it.
Okay, I'll also try. It's too khata. Okay, now taste this one. How does this taste? What is this?
Sugar.
What is this?
Sugar.
Sugar. Okay, try sugar. Do you like it? Try. It's good. What is the taste? Which taste? Just sweet, salty. What is the taste?
Sweet.
Try again.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
You like the sugar?
I don't like it.
Okay, so for which this I taste with my put the tongue here, stretch it out. Tongue, very good, Ahaana. Now the next one, hot and cold. How?
Mom, I'm gonna finish.
What we are going to do next?
Huh?
Touch sense.
Touch.
What is this?
Ice cream.
What is this? Cold?
Yeah. Ah!
It's cold. Oh my God! And this is green tea. Touch it. It's little hot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we touch through our hands. And this is the skin through which we feel the sense of touch. Right? So in this, Ahaana, tell me. I touch with my
Eyes. Hands. Good hands.
Ahaana forgot.
Hands.
Okay. I will play some music and you have to recognize it. Which music it is?
Police.
It's police! Oh my God. How did you listen? Through
Nina, Nina, Nina.
which helped you? Which organ helped you to listen it?
Ears.
Ears. So the fifth organ is ears. Ears helps us hearing the different sounds. Mama is talking too loud, right?
Yeah.
Hello, Anna. Mama is talking too slow. So, yeah, and Hannah is shouting now. So this all we hear through. Oh my God, different sounds, Ahana. So this we hear. So we hear through Hannah. We hear through ears.
Oh.
I hear with my ear.
Ear.
Yay!